Thank you. Let me clarify again what I have just said, that this time there will be a slot test that will be conducted online, of course online, and all the questions will be application based, thinking based. If, for example, if I consider algorithms, then you don't need to write down the steps of the algorithm and all. What you need to do, you need to solve the problems of algorithms. A problem will be given, just like in the class we have discussed. By taking a problem, you need to solve turnaround time, waiting time, or maybe I will give the evaluation of algorithms based on some problem. You have to take one problem and you have to establish that which algorithm works better than other. Okay, so be prepared for that. And I'm sharing my screen, and those who are absent, Suraj,
मैम ये टेस्ट कब होगा?
soon I think soon the date will be announced. At least few days ago they will. I don't think it will be held before Durga Puja. Maybe after Durga Puja holidays they will do it. And Suraj, there is one more announcement for you. Soon I will share a list of students whose name are visible in Markout portal for marks fill up. But from section A and section B, I think the total strength is 99, if I'm not wrong. But in
Ma'am,
the
it's, I guess, yes, ma'am, 93 or 99. I will
yes,
confirm on.
yes, 99. So soon I will share one list of students whose name is visible in Markout portal. So you will check and let me know the name of the students who are missing in that list. Okay. And also what
Okay, ma'am.
I can first of all, I will share it with CR, and if they are sure they will give the names, else I will be sharing it in general group also, in your class WhatsApp group, so that everybody please see and respond, else your name will be missed and we will not be able to give you marks. Okay, now let us, I'm sharing my whiteboard. One more thing. Wait. Test. Date is I will give you questions. Compare round robin algorithms. This is a thinking oriented question. You have to think. Now, second question. No need to stay back. So wait. 2 minutes. Preemptive sorry, it is, I think, single R. Preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling These are the only two questions that you need to solve. This is an open book question. Since soon you will appear for slot test 1 and it will be of open book type. So I thought of adopting that pattern only. And you have to solve these two questions. These two questions you have to solve and submit within 1 hour. I'm writing submit to my mail ID within 1 hour. Is it okay? So those write down the questions fast, and after writing you can leave. No need to stay back, you can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And after a few minutes, I will stop sharing my screen. So it is better that you note down the questions. All the participants are requested to note down the questions. And once the question is written, you can leave the meeting and solve the question and submit it within 1 hour.